pelikula namin, natatapos yung pelikula na hindi sira yung mga bukan na mga bida. All of them, si Shawi had a small cut. John had a major makeover. Sinira-sira ni Gila yung mukha ni John. And then, of course, the twins underwent the same kind of treatment ng sugat, pasa, ahi sa mukha, etc. etc. Our prosthetic, that's what's difficult about the movie, because we'd have scenes na walang prosthetic, we'd have scenes na may prosthetics. Para ikabit yung prosthetic, for example, ni Pam and ni Ken, that's probably 2 hours. And then, pag tinanggal, every day, pag tinanggal mo, that's another hour. So, mahirap yung schedule, kasi aside from, they're working with their father and mother in the scenes, so kailangan malinis yung mukha nila. Tapos, pag horror scene naman, biglang ibabalik yun, so we wait for another 2 hours. So, kailangan may maisingit kami na scene ni Shawi, or scene ni John, or scene ni Gila, para lang to compensate for the time that they're being prepared. Our prosthetic was made by Carrie. She's an American, she's a foreigner, but based here in the Philippines. And her team, si Danny Palisa, who's an Australian, and they have their Filipino staff. Yeah.
Are you planning to make this international? I mean, the release of the film?
Right now, we're talking to a few sales agents. A few have gotten in touch with us and wanted to see the finished film. Of course, we can't promise them the film. They want the film, to see the film this week. Sabi namin, we can't show it to you because it's still unfinished. Our film will be done around May 6, in time for the premiere. So May 6, we'll probably send it to a few agents and see if there's any interest. Cannes is just around the corner, so they might want to launch it there in the market. Wala na, of course, tapos na yung deadline ng Cannes. Hindi naman pang Cannes yung movie. So yun, so we'll see if we can launch it in the market of Cannes. If not, we can have it on AFM or wherever.
Alright. Miss Sharon, kanina na-mention din na medyo physically draining ito.
Yeah.
How did you cope with that?
Kaya naman. Parang sabi ko lang, hindi na 25. Tapos I have a torn ligament here and a pinched nerve. So I saw my doctor after. But awa ng Diyos, parang nakisama siya. Dahil sa happy pill kita. No, but seriously, I thought pag horror, mas physical, as a little mental, because it toys with your head eh.
Yeah.
You're that ako, mga dialogue binidin ko. What I didn't expect, but I was happily surprised about. Happily, kasi I'm a dramatic actress.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm really a comedian. That's my forte. No one knows. No, but since I'm a dramatic actress, I welcomed very highly emotional scenes. And most of it was, kasi my character, growth siya na stoic sa beginning hanggang mamaya. But you know, it's all parang, yeah, almost like a weakling, pero you know, there's, dahil nanay, yung development niya gusto ko. So, it was very intense for me. Lalo pag walang dialogue, but you know, you cannot fake that eh. It shows, somehow it jumps from the screen to your audience that you're acting. So ako, I don't like faking. I like feeling a scene. I like, John knows this kasi nagyayakapan pa kami niyan.
Then, actually, nung pinapasampal mo ko sa'yo, sampalin mo sa... Ha? Sabi ko, sampalin ko si Sharon.
Sabi ko, sampalin mo.
Tapos sasabihin ko,
Hindi ako ganyan kumakapit. Sabi ko, ang ina, sakay mo ba ako? Hindi ko naman. Kailangan, hindi ako baka mapeke yung...
Dahil hindi ko siya masakal, sinasakta lang niya ako ng ano.
Doktoran pa kaya dito. Na I'm a doctor actually, this movie na gave up my practice dahil masyado akong sunod-sunuran sa kanya. Dahil sobrang nakakatakot. Wala pang demonyo nakakatakot
Actually, that's the beauty of the film. May story siya, hindi lang siya simple.
Puso siya. And then when Kent and I will do scenes together, kami ni Pam, halos wala eh. Halos, kasi yung pag-uwi niya, patay na si Manuela, so played by Pam. So, meron may mga eksena, mga flashback lang, tsaka kami ni Kent yung laging magkadikit at kami ni John. So, si Kent, talagang miss na miss ko yung mga anak ko because we spent about 3 weeks in Baguio. The first time when I had to go back. Tapos aalis pa ako for a concert tour. So I had just like 3 days with my children after shooting. Then I left for 40 days. Pag-uwi ko, a couple of days, I went back to Baguio na naman. So yung pagka-miss ko sa mga anak ko, pinuhos ko kay Ken. And then, naalala ko nga pala, wala nga pala yung parents ko dito. Because first day, sinabi mo rin, so sabi ko so but if you have experiences na ganito, so parang nakapagtulungan kami ni Ken. I'm not mentioning John anymore because he doesn't need help, but we were still hugging each other pag kailangan ng emosyon na ano. Kasi mag-asawa kami, so meron pa rin syempre. Si Ken talagang, pagka-eksena ko siya, lumalabas yung tunay na emosyon ko bilang ina. Really, kailangan gano'n, present lahat ng emosyon. So, minsan tawa kami ng tao na direct, biglang hindi nila alam, nagsiset up sila, nag-internalize na ako sa isang sulong. Ayoko tahimik sila, gusto ko magulo sila, hindi na ako pinapansin. Kaya pag rehearsal na, hindi pa, nandiyan na nila kanina na. So, parang, I was all in. All of my faculties were present. And I didn't expect it to be like that. But I have never, I can honestly tell you, and you've known me forever, I have, after watching this movie, I think it would be fair to say na you might just tell yourselves, God, I've never seen her like this before. So I did so many things na never ko nagawa, kahit hindi yung mga scary. Yung ang dami lang, kasi iba yung ataka sa character. I'm so happy about this movie.
So isa sa blessings na nakita ko rito at saka very thankful ako is for the first time dito sa film na ginawa ko, merong ginawa si Megan na hindi niyo pa napanood sa kanya. Very first time na mapapanood. ibang klaseng Megan makikita.
Sa trailer na, di ba katalikod ka, tulog ako na sa na-feel niya. Sa muro ko. Ako naman yung mga scary scenes, talaga ha, no kidding. Talaga direct, di ba yung mapapatalon ako, mapapaupo, ganyan. Talaga may tili ako na totoo. Kasi may direct, Kat! Kunyevas! Visit ka! Ikaw nakakatakot ka! Talaga natatakot. Ako na yung artista na natakot pa ako. So excited ako manood sa premiere. Gusto ko marinig yung reaction ng audience.
Was it super hard to act without saying anything?
Oh, no. I have a well of emotions in me. I have just mastered the art of smiling and laughing. So you never know what I'm going through in my life, right, John? You never know what I'm going through in my personal life. You know, at any time, any given time, because I have mastered the art of. Well, you will usually see it in my eyes. That's those who have really known me for a long time. Like Don, alam ni Don yan. Nagulat ako, tinanong ako noon eh. Bakit parang hindi ka masaya? Hindi, baka kasi hindi na ako bata. Hindi. Alala ko yung di ba Don? So parang, it's just like that. But I have this deep well of, I'm very emotional. As boisterous as my laughter can be, that is also how deep my tears run. So, I'm a very sensitive, emotional person. Kaya nga, iyakin, di ba? Sad song lang ang kakantay ko, naki-carry away ako. So, my two careers of singing and acting actually help each other.
Thank you so much for sharing this, dear friends.
Thank you. Oh, hi! There's someone that's watching us live! We're streamed live on Facebook. Live tayo right now, Bila.
Thank you, Janet.
Live tayo sa shooting. Pero tinuloy ko na, para tapos na. Before the end of the year, direct. Nakatanggal mo na
Oo, tama-tama.
Presenta na ako.
Nag-halos sila ngayon.
Oo, kasi kunyari, si Darna napagod, ipapasa ko ngayon sa mas bata. Eh si Ting tumanda na. Ang pangit naman na, isa kayo pa, di ba? So, ipapasa ko na yung bato. Ganon. Is ano lang ako, cameo.
For a time, nagpanik pa kami kasi bago siya mag-concert sa US, sinute na namin yung finale, but it wasn't finished. We only shot parts of it. Pagbalik, sobrang payat ni Shawi pagdating sa set. So sabi ko, magkatugtog yung eksena, ngunit hindi naman siya parang magkaibang eksena. Sabi ko, makakalusot ba to na kanina lang, di ba? Iba yung movies, tapos biglang sobrang payat ng next cut.
Yung pantalong ko nung umpisa tama lang. Nung ending, pwede ko na siyang gawing suit. Yung jumpsuit. Tumatak ako, talaga na nagiging pantalong ko. Ano yung magnified trailer? Palakpak kami ni John yung plan. Thank you. Nakakamiss mag-press ko.